Tired of watching your TikTok earnings sit untouched? Let's unlock those funds and get them into your hands, Ghanaian style. First things first, fire up your TikTok app and head over to your profile page. Spot those three little lines in the top right corner, give them a tap. That opens up the settings menu. Now scroll through the options until you see balance. Tap on that balance button. That is where our treasure is stored. Great, now, this is where the magic happens. You should see your available balance displayed, and right below it, you'll find the withdraw button. Tap it. Now, since we're bypassing PayPal, make sure the mobile money option is selected. If you don't see it, it might mean you haven't reached the minimum withdrawal amount or haven't been on the platform long enough to be eligible for direct withdrawals to mobile money. Next, carefully enter your mobile money number, double-check it. Then, select your mobile network from the list that's MTN, Vodafone, or Airtel to go. Finally, punch in the amount you want to withdraw. Almost there, you'll see a confirmation screen summarizing your withdrawal details. Make sure everything is accurate. If it looks good, hit that confirm withdrawal button. And that's it. Within a few minutes, you should receive a notification on your phone confirming the transaction. Now go enjoy your TikTok earnings.